I'm going in with some barbecue sauce and some mango sauce. It's a little spicy, so I won't put too much. Ketchup. I'm gonna add some vinegar, not too much. So I'm also gonna add a little honey. My honey kind of tough up, you know. So people that say put it in the microwave, but I don't want to. Shit, this is annoying. Alright, I'm tired. I'm gonna combine. The honey, I like the honey because it gives chicken a nice glaze, a nice shiny color. Right, and then that's it. All right, so I'm gonna place the rib dip into onto a file paper. So I'm gonna add the sauce. Some sauce to it. So we're gonna go in with the sauce. We're gonna flip it and add the sauce to the other side. So we are seeing some nice sauce to the ending too, you know, but yeah. Me make the sauce empty, you know. Okay. So we are trying to wrap the bottom file the top file into the bottom one so that you know get a whole heap of work to do after this to get a clean file pan. I'm just create like a pocket to the work so you know what I mean. We're gonna do that too. This side. See that more up here, so really nice. I did that. So we kind of slow cook that. Let's say I'm going to add some of this to the sauce and a show. So not too much. I don't want to deceive the process and then want to make it and it not taste good and make it so shit. Although this not do much, it's just a little kick. So just want to know some add some sriracha sauce to the mixture. And that's it. After 3 hours, the rib's supposed to be tender. If it's not tender, you gotta add it back to the oven. Once it's tender, you're gonna add as much sauce as you like on the rib. The meat I drop off of the bone. So I just add it to the top of the ribs, but you guys can add it at both sides if you choose, then place it back into the oven. For this process, you're going to turn the oven up to about 420 degrees. And you're gonna watch it. You're gonna have to watch it. So turn on the lights in the oven and watch it because you don't want it to burn. I'll turn on the heat from 400 degrees. And just make this just stick on it. You don't know what happened to the underneath because well, I just mash up my camera. Try to get this shit. Now I got even wall. Fuck. Finish me I doing it, guys, but I have to figure out a way to make it work for me. I'll put back some sauce right there. So I'll put this in the oven now. So this is the whole reason why I remove it from, lift it off and put it in another tray, pirate dish per se, because we need this to make gravy. If you're not using a gravy, you could have leave it on it, but for me, I need it to make some gravy. Transfer it to pot. So we want all the goodness here inside of the pot. So I just want to find a way to get it in. Alright, so we'll come off a camera and we'll finish to this, guys. The mess. Mega add. Now add some water to the sauce and just pour it in this. When that go down, then now call this a day. Just make this do it thing. For a whole heap of people and you need a lot of gravy, you can add a little more water and then you add it. Some cornstarch, but just me and my daughter, so this is good enough. So I'll cover this, make it go and do its thing. So this This is the gravy. So this to cook this now. Oh. You see this? All right. So guys, this is a guan pan water guan. I don't even know which part more. So I'm gonna take a piece of this piece. Right? So I'm gonna take it bowl. Yeah, so